Cooking oil prices are likely to come down in the next few weeks. This follows plans by the world's biggest supplier of palm oil, Indonesia, to lift its 3-week-long palm oil export ban on Monday, 23rd. This is a welcome relief to manufacturers of cooking oil who had been forced to raise retail prices by 35% since February due to the 45% increase in the cost of importing palm oil into the country, a move that had eaten more into Wanjiku's household spending kitty.
Kenya mainly imports vegetable oils such as sunflower oils, soya bean, corn oil and crude palm from Malaysia and Indonesia, but dilapidated production over the last 6 months in Malaysia due to floods and labor shortages has seen Kenya resort to Indonesia's palm oil. The Russian invasion of Ukraine fueled the shortage since Ukraine, which accounts for 76% of global sunflower oil exports, has significantly cut down supplies. Palm oil comprises a third of the world's vegetable oil market, with Indonesia accounting for about 60% of the supply. The world's top palm oil exporter on April 28th halted shipments of crude palm oil and some derivative products to try and tame soaring prices of domestic cooking oil. The ban was one of the biggest acts of crop protectionism since Russia's invasion of Ukraine in February and its steamed exports of sunflower oil and worsened global shortage. Palm oil is an essential commodity used in almost everything from food to soap to fuel, and the earlier move by Indonesia threatened to push up costs even more across the multiple supply chains. Locally, the ban saw local cooking oil prices increase as manufacturers of cooking oil raised retail prices of cooking oil by 35%. A litre of cooking oil retails at an average of 2,900 shillings in most retail outlets, up from 1,800 shillings a year ago, while a litre fetches 350 shillings. The prices are likely to go down in the next few weeks following the lift of the ban on palm oil exports from Indonesia. Regina Manyar reporting for Lunchtime News.